The sound of inscription is creating a voice that's communicating something. Suddenly you're not using your eyes, you're using a different sense modality. You're using your ears to dictate your hands. And what this is sort of an exercise in is hand-ear coordination. And that's something that most of us have not experienced in this way. It's embracing a theory, it's embracing a process that yields to another way of seeing. It allows the public to look in a different way, beyond just the superficial, beyond the literal, beyond like, oh, the descriptive.